Bye Urbano. It's 8 a.m. in the middle of some uh, uh, anniversary celebrations involving some strings of cricket matches for 3 days. Today is the second day. We'll be starting at 9, and the sun is acting pretty funny behind the clouds, but we'll start. Damn. I'll restart when the clouds go. Well, he's back out. So, it's getting stronger as it comes out from behind the clouds. I'll show it when it comes to its full strength. Okay, that's better. Still getting stronger. Now it's on.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಸೆಷನ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಬನ್ನಿ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಸೆಷನ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಓವರ್ ರಿಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ 6 ಓವರ್ 5 ಓವರ್ ರಿಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್
I have to blow hard, otherwise the smoke comes back into my eyes. That's why I have to blow hard. Yesterday there was a online meeting with devotees of Guruji from USA and Canada regarding various temples there, and a murti is going to be installed in Houston. So I'll tell you the story of KHNA. Kerala Gandus of North America. I don't know whether it was in the first trip or not, when they decided to hold a biennial. They hold this biennial conferences on a pretty big scale. So Guruji is Guruji is their patron saint for many years. I think when I joined the ashram physically, he had gone for the second biennial conference, not 100% sure. And after that, he went once more while I was there. First time he took Sai. Second time he threw Sai out of the office and he took Suresh. I don't know exactly recently who was the chief guest, but I think before that there was Ravi Shankar as their chief guest. After Guruji's Mahasamadhi, one letter came to Swamiji after Guruji's Mahasamadhi, inviting him in Guruji's place to the next KHNA conference, but Swamiji did not even reply. Many reasons, I'm not going into them right now. Today I'll tell you the story of Bhikhubai Patel. When Guruji was in America, I don't know in which trip. So this Bhikhubai Patel, one very rich Gujarati, you must have heard his name also. He had bought a church and was trying to convert it into a Hindu temple. At the point where he placed the idol, exactly behind that, the idol itself used to get cracked every time it was installed, and then a new one was made and again was installed, again it got cracked. So Guruji was asked the reason. Guruji said, in the wall behind the idol where it is placed right now are the skeletons of all the people who had been killed by the church in the name of religion, by that particular church, and buried behind that wall. When they broke open the wall, they found the bones of those victims. Once they were removed and the wall was remade, when a purificatory ceremony was performed, then the idol was installed again, and this time there was no problem. There are many such stories of filthy rich people. But you see, in today's world, money is more valuable, especially to the rich, than their blood. Bhagwan, Guru, Namaskar, Tiraskar behind the back.
ಮಹೇಶ್ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. 2 wicket loss, the first over in progress. 6 overs match. League knockout ಪಂದ್ಯಾಟ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಉತ್ತಮವಾದ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನವನ್ನು ದಾಖಲಿಸಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ 3 ಓಟದ ಸೇರ್ಪಡೆ. ಮಾಚಾರ್ ಬಹಳ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ ಕಡೆಯ ಹಂತವನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಕೊಂಡ್ರು. ಸಂಭಾವ್ಯ ಬೌಂಡ್ರಿ ಅನ್ನು ಅಡ್ಡಯಿಸಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಲೋವರ್ ಫುಲ್ ಟಾಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಸೆತವನ್ನು ಎಸೆತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಭರತ್ ಗಿಲಿಯಾಡ್. ಆರಂಭಿಕ ಪಂದ್ಯ ಇನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಎರಡು ತಂಡಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪಿಚ್ಚಿನ ಹಲವನ್ನು ಕಾಣಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಅಂಕಣದ ಒಂದು ವಸ್ತುಸ್ಥಿತಿಯನ್ನ ಅರಿವ ಪಡೆಯಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ತರವತ್ತೈದು ಸ್ಪೈಕ್ ವಿಡೋ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಒಂದೋಟದ ಹೆಚ್ಚುವರಿ ಎಸೆಪಡ 36 6 ಎರಡಕ್ಕೆ ಮತವನ್ನು ತಲುಪ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಪರಿಶುದ್ಧವಾದ ಆಟವನ್ನು ತೋರ್ಪಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಒಂದೆಡೆ ಷಣ್ಮುಖ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದೆಡೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸುರೇಶ್. ಆರಂಭಿಕ ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟ ಮೇಲ್ಗೆಯನ್ನು ಸಾಧಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಆದಿಸಿಸಿ ಚೆನ್ನೈ ತಂಡ. ವಿಕೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಡುವಂತ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲ ಸುತ್ತನ್ನು ಕಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಷಣ್ಮುಖ. ವಿಕೆಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಶಾಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಮೊದಲ ವಿಕೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಆದಿಸಿಸಿ ಚೆನ್ನೈ 10-1. The Kapish over number 1 score 10-1. 10ಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂತು. ಎಸೆಗಾರಿಕೆ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಬದಲಾವಣೆಯನ್ನು ತರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಗಣೇಶ್ ಬಿಜಾನಿ. ಆ ಕಡೆ ಒಳಭಾಗ ಹೊಸ ದಾಳಿಗಳ ಸೇರ್ಪಡೆ ಸುಂದರ್ 10-1. 6 ಓವರ್ಗಳ ಪಂದ್ಯ.
It's a nice song. I had some help. I couldn't make this mess all by myself.
ನಡೆದ ಮೊತ್ತ ಉತ್ತರ ಸದಾ ಕಮ್ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಗಣೇಶ್ ಬಿಜಾನಿ. ಬಹಳ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ ಸದ್ಯ ಯಾವುದೇ ತೋಟಗಳ ಅವಕಾಶವನ್ನು ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಗಣೇಶ್ ಬಹಳ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ ಸದ್ಯ ಯಾವುದೇ ತೋಟಗಳ ಅವಕಾಶವನ್ನು ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸುರೇಶ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಎನ್ನೋದು ಮೊತ್ತ 12 12 ಬೆಳಕಲ ಗಾಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ತೇಲ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಕ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ನನ್ನ ಮೂಲಕ ಸುರೇಶ್ ಹುಂದಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ವಿಕೆಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2 ಆದಿಸಿಸಿ ಚೆನ್ನೈ ಕಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. 12 for 2. The second over in progress. ಈ ಪಂದ್ಯದ ಪ್ರಮುಖ ಪ್ರಾಯೋಜಕರು ಕೋತಾಸ್ ಕಾಫಿ. ಅರುಣ್ ರೈನ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಹೋರಾಟದ ಹೆಚ್ಚುವರಿಯ ಸೇರ್ಪಡೆ. ಸುಲಭದ ರನ್ಔಟ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಮುಕ್ತಾಯನ ಕಡತ ಓವರ್ಗಳ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ 2 ಓವರ್ಗಳ ಮುಕ್ತಾಯ ಮೊತ್ತ 14. The captain over number 2 score 14 for 2.
Actually, this requires some punching. I don't do it in front of others, but I'll try. Then there is no need to blink. So the watch will get spoiled.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಭರತ್ ಗಿಳಿಯ ಬಂದರೆ ಸುಧಾನಂದ ಅರುಣ್ ಡ್ರೈವ್. ಹೆಚ್ಚುವರಿಯ ಸೇರ್ಪಡೆ ಕೂಡ ಅಭಿಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ ಕಡೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆಂಬುಲೆನ್ಸಿನ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿಗಳು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ
Looking for a jet. My only birdies.
ಪುರಸ್ಕಾರ ಕಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಂಪೈರ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಅದಾವ ರೀತಿಯ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಬರಬೇಕಾದ ನೋಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಮ್ಯಾಚಿನ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ
Somebody's mobile is missing. I think, maybe not.
ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಕರ್ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? ಉತ್ತಮ ರೀತಿಯ ಆಟವನ್ನು ತೋರ್ಪಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
I remember reading the story about one Buddhist monk that used to practice Tratak. He developed the capacity to burn a hole through a steel coin just by looking at it. So it further goes on the story that he began commercial exhibition of his powers, and the result of such commercial exploitation resulted in his getting severe cervical spondylosis. So I'm trying to burn a hole through the sun. So in case I get a pain in the neck or I become a pain in the neck, please excuse.
ಲೇಖನ ಪಂದ್ಯಾಟಗಳನ್ನು ಕಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಿತ 8 ತಂಡಗಳು ಈ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪರ್ಧಾಕಳವನ್ನು ಕಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಎರಡನೇ ಪಂದ್ಯ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಮೊದಲ ಪಂದ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿರಾಕಾಸ್ ಮೊದಲ ಸ್ಥಾನ ಪಡೆದರೆ ಕೂಳೂರು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಸಂಘ ರನಸ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಗೆ ತೃಪ್ತಿ ಪಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸಚಿನ್ ಚಿತ್ರರಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. 26
And of course, I'm doing it for purely commercial purposes. I'm waiting for somebody to pay me to stop doing this in public.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಸೆಗಾಲಿತ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಗಣೇಶ್ ಬಿಜಾನಿ.
It's pretty bright now. Wonderful clear skies. I didn't get a chance to do yesterday. Skipped in the morning, and in the evening the skies were pretty cloudy. So there was a huge crowd over here. First day of the series of matches, evening time. This continues until night, 11 o'clock, one after the other. Next to it is the tree park, where people go for walks. Lots of trees over there. And here, daily sports games, matches like this.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಗಣೇಶ್
Yeah.
ಮೊಗವೀರ ಸಂಘದ ಆಶ್ರಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಸುವರ್ಣ ಪಂದ್ಯಾಟ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಉತ್ತಮ ಡೆಲಿವರಿ, ಓಟಗಳು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಸೆಗಾರಿಕೆ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಗಡೆ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಓವರ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಸ್. 4ನೇ ಓವರ್ನ ಚಾಲ್ತನೆ ಕಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಪಾಂಚಿಜಾನೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಹೊಸ ತಂಡ, ಹೊಸ ಹುರುಪಿನೊಂದಿಗೆ ಓವರ್ ಪಟ್ಟ ಸಂಗೀತ ಚುಟ್ಟು ಓಟದ ಹೆಚ್ಚುವರಿ ಸೇರ್ಪಡೆ. ಅಭಿ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ. 29-29. 29 for 2. The fourth over in progress. 6 overs back. League of knockout ಪಂದ್ಯಾಟ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನಾಳೆ ದಿನ 40+ ಮೊಗವೀರ ಕ್ರೀಡಾಪಟುಗಳ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಹಬ್ಬ. Score 30. The fourth over in progress. ಮೊದಲ ಪಂದ್ಯ ಇಜಾನ್ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ವರ್ಸಸ್ ಪ್ರಗತಿ ನ್ಯಾಶ್. 7 ತಡೆಗೆ ಮೊದಲ ಸಿದ್ಧತೆ ನೀಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ಪ್ರಗತಿ ನ್ಯಾಶ್ ವರ್ಸಸ್ ಇಜಾನ್ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಉಡುಪಿ. ಮೊದಲ ಪಂದ್ಯ ಹೆಚ್ಚುವರಿ ಸೇರ್ಪಡೆ. ಅಭಿಕ್ಷೇತ್ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಸುಧಾನ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ವಿಕೆಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 3 ಕಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಉತ್ತಮ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ ರಕ್ಷಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಭಿ.
Birds don't have a problem flying up there. One guy is circling around without feeling any problem. Birds have eyes. Really, amongst all animals. Of course, birds also, I don't know if they're colorblind or not. Most animals are colorblind. And the sun's gone behind the cloud. Not fully, but it's veiled. Honestly, see, if you're eating or drinking something, it can go in the wrong passage. But if you're having a smoke, how can it go in the wrong passage? I mean, even if it goes in the wrong passage, it's not going to cause any harm, right?
ಪ್ರಮೋದ್ ಎಸೆಗಾರಿಕೆ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲ ಪಂದ್ಯ ಇಜಾನ್ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಉಡುಪಿ ವರ್ಸಸ್.
That is why Swamiji recommends more active meditation like Havan. Swamiji and Guruji both. Havan with mantras spoken aloud, and this Lalita Sahasranam, etc. Because as they say, a spoonful of activity makes the meditation go down.
The fifth over in progress. Six of smash. Panchajanya Kota versus ADCC Chennai. Balasubrahmanyam catch ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು.
Nice and bright. It does feel better to just concentrate totally on that and not have any other activity or anything. But then the time period for which you can do it decreases due to the severe intensity and the exertion on the physique, as in this case mainly the eyes. But if you can add some other activity which distributes the attention and the strain, as well as it is directed towards the same, then that increases the time period for which you can do the combined same intensity. That is why we have pujas and temples and aradhana paddhatis and all. Really, everything is in the mind, but the mind is everywhere. So we have to bring all those things together, and through activities directed towards the same objective, we can increase the length of the puja.
ಸಂಕೇತ್ ಚಂದ್ರಕ್ಷಣ ನನ್ನ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ
And of course, it's always there 24 hours in a day. Amount of time more that you can spend in the time that's available to you. It's definitely more enjoyable than an extremely intense smaller period which tires out the rest of the day. Yeah, it's fun. God has given us many great things through our own karma, both individual and collective, that we feel as if we are screwed. Even knowing that, we will still feel that we are screwed. In the end, you will understand that it was never God's fault, it was never the Guru's fault.
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿ ನ್ಯಾಷನ ಆಟಗಾರ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್ ನಾವು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಕೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇದಾನ್ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್
I had written about that, Paramahansa Yogananda has spoken of two stages: self-realization and God realization. Of course, neither having experienced both, I am not a person to comment on it, but an interpretation, I would say. Like Vivekananda also started completely with the Nirvikalp Samadhi concept, the Advaita concept. So did Adi Shankara. Having realized himself, this entire Brahmand, everything we are seeing, we are experiencing as emanating from the self and coming back to the ego point is the experience that we have of our lives, afterlives, etc. Then, when you have realized your entire Brahmand as yourself, you become self-realized. As in front of the Guruvayurappan Mandir, there are various that I think those red seeds. Each red seed symbolizes an individual Jivatma's Brahmand. It never mixes with another Jivatma's Brahmand. Yet, they are all together coordinated and play together by a superior Atma, that is Paramatma. The Jivatma can only understand about Paramatma after it has completed its own self-realization. So it is that even Vivekananda towards the end of his life says, I have come to understand that there is a supreme force in this universe that considers herself to be female. Adi Shankara also had this realization. Both of them are beyond our imagination, but this is a possible logical explanation. Guruji himself used to say, because he himself was in Atmarama status and beyond, but Gurupada, Brahmashri Nilakanta Gurupada, he used to say that he is at the level of the creator and beyond. About himself, he once said, the power of a Superman is equal to God. Almost. He added that one. About Gurupada, he said, he is at the level of the creator and beyond. Yet, when Divine Mother speaks to him, she refers to him as a little boy and the Gurupada as big boy. How we cannot even fit these things, these revealed things in our imagination. Simply calling ourselves the most evolved species on the planet. The ant is never aware of the presence of human beings. Dogs tend to become aware of the presence of human beings when they become domesticated. But the ant has no idea of the bees. They have no consciousness of the existence of human beings. Even all their food, house, everything is created by the beekeeper. Like that, we also may be living without any awareness of the existence of higher beings. Sometimes some things filter through, in the form of some extra dimensional communications, say the Bermuda Triangle, if you are considering it on a global scale, or some individuals have certain abilities like mediums and all. Ghost, Oprah, not Oprah Winfrey, I keep confusing it. Whoopi Goldberg, that was the first one. The movie Ghost, in which Whoopi Goldberg became famous as the medium.
ವಾದವನ್ನು ಮುಂದುವರಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿ ವಿನಂತಿಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ.
So, as I was saying, these beings are also just lower beings. They say that the sun has a personality. It is a Surya Devata. But we are not aware of its having any personality because our imagination and thought processes cannot encompass its activities as an individual. Like just an ant cannot differentiate between one human being and another human being, or consider it as an individual. People consider the earth as a personality, and there are billions and hundreds of billions of such personalities in the known Milky Way and universe. Personalities even vaster than the planets, the black holes. So, even the concept of moksha, I once asked Guruji, Ravana got moksha.
48 ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಹೇಶ್ 5 ಜನದ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಕೊನೆಯ ಬಾರಿ ಬಹಳ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ ಎಸೆತ ಓವರ್ ಮುಕ್ತವನ್ನು ಕಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಮುಕ್ತದ ಓವರ್ಗಳ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಅರ್ಧಕ್ಕೆ ಅಪೇಕ್ಷಿತ ನಂಬರ್ 6 ಸ್ಕೋರ್ 48 49 is the target. ಪ್ರಕೃತಿ ನ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾಯಕರು ಬರಬೇಕು. ಟಾಸ್ ಪ್ರಕ್ರಿಯೆಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಬರಬೇಕು ತಂಡದ
Ravana got moksha. Hanumanji also got moksha from Rama. What is the difference? So Guruji replied, Ravana got moksha only from the human birth and the papa he did in the human birth. But Hanumanji through the continuous status of Atma Rama for the entire Chaturyuga will become the next Brahma. So the concept of moksha is also limited to the Bhuloka, Pitraloka, etc. It's relative. Not only that, it is said that you have to be born as a human being to have spiritual progress. Guruji said no. You can do it in any body, such as the Deva, Sharir or the Gandharva Sharir or the Yaksha Sharir or whatever. However, as Adi Shankara has also said, the difference between truth and untruth is very hazy in these births. In the lower births like animals, etc., or stones, rocks, there is no consciousness of the capacity for this spiritual progress. In the higher births, there is consciousness, but they still come down to human birth, because in the human birth there is a very clear line between karma and akarma. That is the karma that takes you towards God and the akarma that takes you away from God. But that is not clear in the heavenly lokas, where there is no papa for bhoga and no tangible result for yoga.
ಭೋಗವೀರ ಸಂಘ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಸುವರ್ಣಪಥ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಅಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥಿತ ಹಗಲು ರಾತ್ರಿ ದಂಡುಚೂರಿನ ಪಂದ್ಯಾಟ.
He also went forward to say that even though spiritual progress is not considered possible in the lower births like animals, etc., the Lord can enter into any body or any being or any object and do whatever he likes. So all laws and rules, they don't bind him. These are things that he said, they are true at his level and worthy of contemplation, meditation, as we read in the holy scriptures like the Bhagavatam and the Ramayana. But practically, for our own practice and practical life, certain strictures have to be imposed. That is, those strictures are called Sanatana Dharma.
ಪ್ರಕೃತಿ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಸಿಂಹಕ್ಕೆ ಕರೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ.
Not bindi, sari, satupera, that is not temples. It is yama and niyama, which nobody wants to follow. Yama means the normal duties that are required by the human body. Such as bathing, internal cleansing, so on and so forth. Niyama are the anushtans, the vratas, the impositions or the tapasya, the penance that you force upon your normal healthy life for the sake of attaining the Lord. That is all that is Sanatana Dharma. That is Sanatana. Prakriti is the set of laws that govern the universe. As you understand more and more about Prakriti, as science does, laws are discovered. You can manipulate Prakriti. These are various forms of Vidya. Sanatana Dharma are the Yama and Niyama which, when universally wherever applied, a person can break the laws of Prakriti. Science is a manipulation of the laws of Prakriti. Sanatana Dharma is the breaking of the laws of Prakriti.
ಸೆಮಿಫೈನಲ್ ಹೋರಾಟ ಗಾಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ತನ್ನ ಪಂದ್ಯವನ್ನು ತಂಡಕ್ಕೆ ಒಪ್ಪಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಕಳೆದ ಹೋರಾಟದ ಮುಖಾಂತರವಾಗಿ ಟೆನಿಸ್ ಬಾಲ್ ರಣರಂಗಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ತಂಡದ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟನ್ನು ದಾಖಲಿಸಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪಾಂಚಜನ್ಯ ನಿತೇಶ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಸಾರಥ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟಾಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಬೇಕೆಂಬಂತ ಕರೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ ಇಜಾರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಕೃತಿ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಟನ್. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲ್, ನೀವು ವಿಳಂಬ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಓವರ್ಲೆಸ್ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
For example, doctors who are manipulators of the laws of Prakriti, attempting manipulators of the laws.
ಲಾಭವನ್ನು ಪಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು 4 ಕೋಟಿಗಳ ಸೇರ್ಪಡೆ.
They say
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಸಾನ್ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಟನ್ ತಮ್ಮ ಟಿ ಶರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಪಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಟಾಸಿಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ.
that I have high BP. I think 210 by 110 was the last measurement. Higher systolic is supposed to be very bad for the heart also. I have tachycardia. So supposed to be 80 BPM minus some 110 BPM. Asomex, Met Pure Excel. खाते जाओ. I have high blood cholesterol, the dangerous type, not Safola, La ilaha illal Safola. And also diabetes. For years I'm not manipulating any laws of medicine. I'm simply breaking them. Today I'm not going to stop the recording like I broke it last time in the that park, Kadugodi Park. This time I'm just going to let it keep recording. I'll see how long this one takes. Only problem is that when uploading these big files, I'll break it into two.
ಸತತ ಡಾಟ್ ಬಾಲ್ಗಳು ಮತ್ತೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ಪವರ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ಜಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಿರೀಕ್ಷಿತ ಹಂತದ ಓಟಗಳು ದಾಖಲಾತಿಯನ್ನು ಪಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದು ಓಟವನ್ನು ದಾಖಲಿಸುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನಗಳು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ಸಾಗಿದ್ದ ಕಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ರಂಧ್ರ ಮತ್ತೆ ಚಾಲನೆಯನ್ನು ಪಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ತನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ 10 ಓಟಗಳು. ಸುಂದರತೆ ಸತ ಮತ್ತೆ ಓಟಗಳಿಗೆ ಅವಕಾಶವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. 10 for losses for wicket. 49 is target. ಬಹಳ ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ಓವರ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಕೇವಲ ಒಂದು ಓಟಗಳಿಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡೋದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ವಿಕೆಟ್.
Of course, science is quite powerful in catching charlatans or tricksters, aren't really breaking the laws but manipulating the ignorance of the people about those laws.
39 runs required.
For example,
Alizad captain ಶೀಘ್ರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಟಾಸಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿ
yeah, I saw one movie in which one Bihar one MP from Bihar or MLA, I'm not sure. So he is opposing the building of a dam, which is to be constructed for generating hydroelectricity. So his argument is, once you take out the electricity from the water, how can it be used to grow the crops? Very logical argument. Another question I read on the internet yesterday: the sun has light. On earth, everywhere there is light when the sun comes up. Why is there no light in the space between? This great yogi, scientific yogi who asked this question probably never heard the word diffraction of light by the atmosphere.
ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥಿತವಾಗಿ ಸಾಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪಂದ್ಯ ಕೂಡ ಇವತ್ತು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಬದಿಯ ಉಪಹಾರ ಸುಖೇಶ್ ಕಾಂಚನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಉದಯ್ ಕಾಂಚನ್ ಶ್ರೀ ಭಾಗ್ಯ ಪ್ಯಾಲೇಸ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ರಸ್ತೆ ಈ ಮುಖಾಂತರವಾಗಿ ಆಟಗಾರರಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು
Cigarette smoking, especially these cheap ones, is considered to be effective due to nicotine. Now the nicotine, it raises the blood pressure, raises the heartbeat, and increases the peristaltic motion. That is why people who become chain smokers, they are not able to go to toilet in the morning without having one cigarette. And if you have as many cigarettes as I just had right now, you have to rush straight to the toilet. For me, it makes no difference. One day I can have 4 packs, then 4 days I may not have even one. Same thing with tea and coffee. The chemical in them is caffeine, which has a similar effect. A little different, but similar lines of effect. In the Sai Baba canteens, the people who serve the chutney and the curry, they serve it as if they are paying from their own pocket. We have not bought any tokens for that. That's what they think. So the chutney or the sambar they give,
ಮತ್ತೆ ಓಟಗಳಿಗೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓವರ್ ಕೂಡ ಮುಕ್ತಾಯವನ್ನು ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಎಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ 3 ಓವರ್ 14 ಫಾರ್ ಲಮ್ಸಲ್ ಫಾರ್ 14ಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಹೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಆಘಾತವನ್ನು ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ತಂಡ 7 ಅಂತ 18 ಸತ.
for 4 idlis, they will give you enough sambar or chutney in which a few ants may be able to take bath.
18ಕ್ಕೆ 35.
So if you ask for another, even if you are willing to pay for it, no, we have to follow the rules as far as others are concerned. So I used to take the idli and whatever piksha of chutney they give. I'm talking about Puttaparthi. Here also same thing in Whitefield. Then I will take 1 cup of coffee, 1 cup of chai. I will mix the coffee, the chai and the chutney with the idli. Sambar I like, so I always keep that separate. Have it. And there comes our doggy spectator.
ಚೆಂಡಿಗೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಟಗಳಿಗೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಟಗಳ ಅನಿವಾರ್ಯತೆಯನ್ನು ಪಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ತಂಡ. ಇನ್ನಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಕೊನೆ ಹಂತದಲ್ಲಿ ದಾಖಲಿಸಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಅರುಣ್ ರೀನಾ ದಾಖಲಿಸಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ 16 ಓಟಗಳು.
I have read the teachings of Satya Sai Baba in his books, the conversations and all. Very in-depth explanations on yoga and its practices.
16.
Good enough for even interpretation of the Yoga Sutras, Patanjali Yoga Sutras. But practical teaching, love all, serve all, that's all. Because his disciples are not capable of anything else other than that. He gives fantastic discourses on yoga. So practically what should be done? Love all, serve all, that's all. His foreigner disciples, of course, they are highly egoistic and controlling intrinsically, the Westerners. But they know how to do Kadak sadhana because they are essentially unemotional beings. Most of them, but they have their training to reject emotions. So they do Kadak sadhana. And they will never bow before any guru unless that guru can defeat them. That is why they used to bow before Satya Sai Baba. Even though he was so thin and skinny, and so person will not feel he has any power, but the foreigners will bow before him.
ವಿಜಯ ತಂಡದ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ಆಟವನ್ನು ದಾಖಲಿಸಿದರು. ಇವತ್ತು ಬೆಳಗಿನ ಅವಧಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಆ ತಂಡ ಒತ್ತಡವನ್ನು ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಪಂಚ ಚೆನ್ನೈಯ ಕೂಟ ಚೆನ್ನೈ ಆದೇಶಿಸಿ ಒಂದು ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ಮೊತ್ತವನ್ನು ದಾಖಲಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಒಂದು ಓಟಗಳ ಸೇರ್ಪಡೆ ಜನಬಂಧ 19
Giving a comfortable philosophy like Sadhguru.
ಅಂತಿಮ ಒಂದು
But,
ಚುನಾವಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಕಿ ಉಳಿತಾ ಇದೆ
Shambhavi Mahamudra,
19
21 minutes time pass, that's all. You will get a good following. That is also one thing the Westerners like, shortcut yoga. And all our, IT engineers and doctors and all don't have much time. So shortcut yoga. But giving a Kadak teaching,
ಜಯಕ್ಕಾಗಿ 29 ಓಟಗಳು ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ 29 ರನ್ಸ್
even if you see Prabhupada's teachings, he is so Kadak as far as the practical teaching is concerned. No compromise. No compromise at all.
ಸಮಾರಂಭ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಮುಖ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜರುಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಭಾಗದ ಜನಪ್ರಿಯ ಶಾಸಕರಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ರಾಜರಾಜೇಶ್ವರಿ ನಗರ ವಿಧಾನಸಭಾ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದ ಶಾಸಕರಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಶ್ವೇತಾ ಮುನಿರತ್ನ ಅವರು, ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ಮುಖಂಡರಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಸುನಂದ ಬೋರೇಗೌಡರು, ಅದೇ
सुदर्शन क्रिया,
ಸದಸ್ಯರಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ
पैसा कमाने का क्रिया
ಹಾಗೆಯೇ
through American marketing system.
ಸಿಎಸ್ ನಿತಿನ್ ಅವರು, ಮಾಜಿ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಆಟಗಾರರಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ರಾಜೇಶ್ವರ ಗರದೆ ಅವರು,
इसको इतना परसेंटेज मिलेगा, उसके बाद उसका उतना परसेंटेज मिलेगा, उसके बाद उसका परसेंटेज मिलेगा. Becomes very popular
ಹಾಗೆಯೇ
for the wrong reasons.
ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿ ಐಟಿಸಿ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ನ ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ಸತ್ಯನಾರಾಯಣ ಅವರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇನ್ನಿತರ ಅತಿಥಿ ಅಭ್ಯಾಗತರ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತಿಯ ಮುಖಾಂತರವಾಗಿ
Actually, Sudarshan Kriya.
ಪಂದ್ಯಾಟ
It's actually a glorified Kapalabhati.
ಪ್ರಮುಖ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮಾರಂಭ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಕೂಡ ಸಂಜೆ 6 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಜರುಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೋದರೆ ಆಘಾತವನ್ನು ಕಾಣ್ತಾ
I should have started earlier. Now I'm too old, lips got burnt.
ದಾಖಲಿಸುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನದ ನಡುವೆ ಹೋದರನ್ನು ಒಪ್ಪಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 11 ಸತ 29 ಓಟಗಳು ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. 30 ಓಟಗಳು ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. 11 ಬಾಲ್ 30 ರನ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಗಿದೆ.
It's crossed 9. I was planning to stop at 9, 9:10. So I'll call it a day. I've even crossed 1 hour in this. I've easily done up to 1 hour 21, 1 hour 30 minutes, but
ಬಹಳ ಸುಶಿಕ್ಷಿತ ಹೊಡೆತ ಸಂಪರ್ಕಿಗೆ.
so I'll cut it now. It's time for prasad distribution. Okay, see you tomorrow.